Hi there, students. Brawn, brawn, and the adjective brawny. Okay, brawn is a noun, an uncountable noun, so normally not a brawn. Okay, brawn talks about physical strength, brawny, big and strong and muscular. You will particularly hear this phrase, brains not brawn. This is a case where we need to use brains not brawn. We need to think about how we do this, not just using brute force. Okay, so he's a brawny construction worker. He's got great big muscles. Yeah, he's a really strong chap. Yeah, he's a very brawny arm. Yeah, he's got well-developed muscles, particularly in the arms and the leg. Yeah, use a bit of brawn, use strength, use muscular power. Yeah, brawn is the only solution that occurs to him. Yeah, he's got plenty of brains as well as brawn. That's unusual. Okay, so brawny, muscular, bulky, beefy, yeah, powerful. And then with this phrase, brains not brawn, think about it, use your head rather than just trying a brute force method. So brawn, physical strength. Notice as well, in British English, brawn has a different meaning. It's something sort of like a ham, yeah, or a terrine, which is made from the meat from the head of a pig or a calf, and then it's pressed into a pot with jelly. Yeah, and they serve it in thin slices. Okay, brawn, so some sort of preserved meat. Okay, so physical strength, muscle power. Yeah, he's got very well developed muscles. Use a bit of brawn. Don't be so weak and ineffective. My team has a lot of brawn in the attack. If you look at American football, maybe the defensive team are brawnier and bigger than the offensive team. Well, not always, but okay. So brawn, physical strength. Yes, I guess you could show your brawn by using your military power. Yeah, they say that girls prefer brains not brawn, but I think it's probably the other way round. I think it depends. Okay, so brawny. He's a very brawny fellow. He's a very brawny individual. Yeah, he rolled up his sleeves and showed me how brawny he was. His brawniness was quite amazing. Okay, so brawn. Formality. This word, I think, is a neutral word. I'm going to give it a 5.5 in formality. It sounds ever so slightly literary, but use it in an informal conversation, particularly this phrase, brains not brawn. So yeah, use it anywhere. And then as to origin, let's see. There was a Proto-Germanic word, bredo, meaning meat or roast, which probably comes from the Proto-Indo-European bre, to burn or to heat. Yeah, in German you have bratto or brat, tender meat, braten, roast, related to an Old Norse word, brad, meaning raw meat. Okay, so are you a brawny individual or a 7-stone weakling? Well, I'm not brawny, I'm rather fat instead. Okay, so brawn. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. If you followed the video, this is definitely a case of brains not brawn. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Brawn, brawny.